What's the most challenging thing being a startup founder?
Everything. I think that's what defines like what a startup is all about, right? Because there are so many fires and you have to put them out, but you can't put them all out at the same time. You have to focus and decide which fire is the most important right now. And so I would say that probably the biggest frustration or challenge that I face as a founder is deciding how to prioritize what to focus on and say which fire or which opportunity to prioritize right now.
Oh, what's the most challenging thing being a startup founder or building the product?
The product. That first sprint where you don't sleep for 32 days in a row, and you really have to keep going until you get something running because it's really the starting up part of the startup that's the biggest challenge.
For me, it would be capital first and foremost, because you're trying to prove things, but there aren't a lot of investors who would want to risk things for you. But you need to find ways. I think it helps you become more creative. I think.
What's the most challenging thing in building the startup?
I think one of the more challenging things with Go Rocky, especially with as of late, we're always looking for more people to join the team. And we're also looking for more doctors to join in on our mission.
How about on fighting the stigma or on explaining the stigma?
I think um that's something na kahit papaano na kind of part of the job. Every now and then, like I think when we first started, we got a lot of troll posts, a lot of comments, bashers, whatever. Pero now people are actually approaching us with their concerns, and people are starting to realize na it's okay to get help. Yan. Hindi naman tayo kailangan lagi na the toxic na masculinity. Alam mo yun?
True.
Let's get help and let's get the treatments that we need.
Yun na nga, no? So, beyond the product, beyond the wellness and the value, binabago din yung parang sentiment sa certain issues and stigma na ito.
Yes.
That's what Go Rocky also is doing.
Yes.
Padaanin muna natin,
Yes. Si Jollibot.
what's the most challenging thing being a founder?
One of the most challenging thing is yung ano, pag pag-alis ng tao. Okay, I really love togetherness. I'm a people person, bro. Ever since kahit di pa ako business guy, I'm a software engineer who's working remotely. Naghahanap ako ng, let's say, samahan ba or outlet. So, one of the most challenging thing is, iba sa startup, ang bilis eh. May aalis, may darating, alam mo yun, you build a relationship with them, ganyan. So, yun yung internal. Pagdating naman sa,
External.
sa labas, yung pagbibenta, well, actually, pagbibenta, I know I can sell myself as a software engineer, pero startup SaaS, hindi ganun kadali na ibenta.
Selling the product.
Oo, yung selling is a challenge for me. I buy books na pinag-aralan ko. Ganyan.
Sales, mga.
Yes, sa sales, no? So, yeah, sales pagdating naman sa external. Internal is yung samahan ba, yung pag-alis.
Interesting. I like that answer, Medyo ano pa, nakaka-open ng mga isipin pa. What's the most challenging thing being a startup founder?
I guess it depends on the stage of the business. At our stage, it's about scaling, growing the company, growing the headcount, getting more people involved in the company, and then getting partnerships, growing our user base, reaching out outside Luzon, Metro Manila, maybe to Visayas, Mindanao, or maybe Southeast Asia. So that's a very difficult thing for us.
What's the most challenging thing in building real estate or as a startup founder?
As a startup founder, actually, before this, when you first spoke with my co-founder, si Borch, our first challenge was people. But thankfully, we found the right team with us. Kasama natin ngayon. So the next challenge would be growing the team now. So, very protective kami of our team. Ang gagaling na itong mga batang to eh. So, kailangan yung makakatrabaho namin na susunod kasi galing nila and kasi malasakit ng team.
Parang gusto ko na sila ma-interview, Pero anyway, what's the most challenging thing building a startup?
Challenging thing. I think syempre on the start, like say for example, wala pa nagba-back ganyan, where may challenging thing I would explain.
Maybe
Well, quite
starting
honestly, funding funding is a
funding.
challenge because sometimes you need the funding to push with your goal with to jumpstart yung vision mo. And if you don't have a funding, then it's more challenging. Although kapag nandun naman yung passion, I guess you can keep going. But you know,
Pero it's a chicken and egg problem nga daw. You need funding to gain traction,
yes,
and then but you also have to gain traction to get funding. But basically, you need
chicken and egg
capital
problem, right? Yeah.
to kumbaga to gain traction, to build a
Yeah.
product and gain traction.
So yeah.
Yeah. What's the most challenging thing being a founder?
Probably the PMF, the market validation of your product, because it's easy to have an idea, but the hard part is to execute them. A lot of people will probably have the same idea, and lots of people has probably thought of stated before for me. But the hardest part is really just executing on it and actually pulling through your idea and going through the doubts.
So what is it's the hardest part. So what's the hardest part for CK? I believe. Oh, well,
As a founder or building a startup,
so building a startup for me would definitely be the who you can trust yourselves with when starting with a business, because like with all companies or organizations, you would need to be with the people who you could trust to build this business. For sure, there are a lot of startups and companies that started as their own. They didn't need any help, but in the end, you would need someone to not only support you but also support the business. So I believe one of the key aspects for a successful startup and will also overcome a challenge is to be with the people who you trust and build a goal.
grabe nakaka naman yung answer na yun.